Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to like someone on Hinge. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To send likes on someone's profile on Hinge dating application, first open up your Hinge app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you end up in the homepage of Hinge dating app, it'll show you one user at a time. You can scroll through their pictures and prompts and choose whether to like or reject them. If you want to like them, tap on the heart icon right beneath their profile. Tap on send like and you'll be able to like someone on your Hinge dating account. If you tap on the X icon at the bottom left, you'll be able to reject them just like that. That is how you can easily send likes to a Hinge profile on your Hinge dating app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.